Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Augustine George, Assistant Professor of Physical Education, Government Medical College, Kottayam. Dear students, from the year 2013 onwards, I have a book titled Physical Health and Life Skill Education for open course in physical education, which is taken by you in semester 5. And this course is designed by the Board of Studies in Physical Education under MG University. And this many years through my books I have been talking to you, but due to the COVID-19 pandemic this year, along with book, I thought to come out with the e-version, a series of lectures on the topic, on the syllabus covered under physical health and life skill education. Of course, the online teaching from teachers, professors of physical education, your teachers of physical education from your college is very important, and you can take my lecture series as just as another reference because it is in recorded form, and along with book you can always refer to this lecture series. It will help you out. Dear students, you will get 3 credits out of this course. Total marks examination will be from 80 marks. 20 marks will be the internal. From internal examination you will get 20 marks, and from external examination, university examination, you will get, it will be out of 80 marks. So total 100 marks from this course, and I wish you all the best. I also congratulate you for taking up this course as your open course in 5th semester. This course has the potentiality to change you into a better human being. All the practical inputs provided by this course will help you to be a finer human being and to lead a very healthy and active lifestyle. Under physical health and life skill education, you will cover 4 modules. In earlier revision we had 5 modules. This time we have reduced it to 4 modules. You have to learn 4 modules, which covers introduction to physical education and physical fitness, health and nutrition, human body type, first aid and yoga, and introduction to sports and games. Dear students, today I will start with the first module, that is introduction to physical education and physical fitness, and the first subtopic, that is the concept of physical education. So what is the concept? What do you mean by physical education? Most of you may think physical education as physical training or PT, and it is a very wrong concept. Physical training is a training of your body, but here you just see the term is physical education. That is, you are educating yourself through the media, and that is your body. Through your body, through the movements of your body, through different sports and games, you are getting the educational value. Now, what is education? Is education is just to get marks, good marks, and to get a job? No, the aim of education is total personality development of yours. If your personality is not refined after 3 years of degree course, then we cannot say you are an educated person. You are not entitled to call yourself as an educated person. It should change you for better. You should become a better human being. So that is the educational value. So the main purpose of education is the overall development of personality, and physical education aims to develop your personality in all aspects through the medium your body. We all know that movements are so essential. Even when you were conceived in your mother's womb, the heartbeat was the first movement of yourself. And from there you are here. Without movements there is no life. So it is through these movements, you are imbibing certain educational values by which you become a better human being. Life skills are very important. We call it as life skills. Even the name of your course is Physical Health and Life Skill Education. You are getting life skills through participation in sports and games. Life skills, these are the skills which is required to live qualitatively. Not to live as an animal, but to live as a human being in all aspects. So this physical education will help you. It will throw light on different aspects on how you can develop educational values. For example, discipline can be developed by taking part in sports and games. If you are part of your school team, if you were a member of your school team in any sport, you understand that discipline was the key factor. Without discipline, you cannot become a member of your school team. You have to practice regularly, you have to practice scientifically, you have to train hard, and for this discipline is required. Not that one day you practice and the next day you just take leave. In this way you cannot grow in the area of sports. Here pakka discipline is required. So the discipline, the self-discipline comes with participation in sports and games. That is physical education. Educational value. Self-confidence. When you shoot a goal in football or when you make a basket in basketball, you develop a sort of self-confidence, you develop a sort of self-respect, especially when you are doing this in a competition in front of significant others. So there is the value of education, there is the point of education. So this is what is meant by physical education. So I hope the concept of physical education is clear. It is not physical training, it is physical education. Educational value you are achieving by not merely sitting in classroom, but by playing different sports and games, by actively involving in sports and games. So thank you very much, dear students. This is the first topic. I hope the concept of physical education is clear. I will come out shortly with the second video on the second subtopic. Thank you.